maximum functionality with a wide range of applications. Since 2014, Aconity3D has been developing and selling modular systems for the laser-based 3D printing of metals, with this objective in mind. The technology leader from Aachen, the birthplace of metal-based 3D printing, focuses on creating tailor-made solutions for customer-specific end applications, ranging from medical technology to automotive applications via aerospace and energy. Our extremely modular system concept lets us provide machine tools especially for customer-specific applications. We're constantly trying to push existing boundaries and to set new technological standards. The company supports its customers along the entire value chain, from the initial consultancy over processing of novel materials, all the way to the development, delivery and construction of tailor-made tool machines for highly efficient production on an industrial scale.